Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to check or view Wi-Fi password on Windows 11 or 10 PC using PowerShell. For this, first click on the Start button, then type PowerShell. In the search results, right click on this one Windows PowerShell entry. Select here Run as Administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on the Yes button. In the PowerShell window, you need to type netsh a space wlan a space show a space profiles and then press enter on the keyboard to display all the Wi-Fi profiles on your Windows PC. Now select a profile you want to view the password and then right click on it. Now you need to enter the command netsh a space wlan a space show a space profile a space name is equal to right click here. This will paste the copied Wi-Fi profile name, and in case you see the space under profile name, you need to put inverted comma. Now again put one space and then type here key is equal to, now type clear. I will put all these commands in this video description. In case you need it, you can copy it. After typing this one command, press enter on the keyboard. Now under security settings, you will find key content. Beside this, you can view your Wi-Fi password for that particular profile.